Exciting news! Our Northern Gate construction journey continues, and we're excited to share our latest construction updates with you. Let's dive into the latest developments. We're thrilled to announce that internal sewer services for Phase 1 through 5 have been successfully installed, ensuring a clean and sustainable environment for our future residents. Our dedicated team is currently hard at work on Phase 1 to 5 of the internal water and stormwater systems, ensuring that your future home will have access to a reliable water supply and efficient stormwater drainage. We're also making significant strides with internal electrical services. Phases 1 through 5 are in the works, ensuring that you'll have a state-of-the-art electrical infrastructure to support your modern lifestyle. As we look ahead, the external services are set to commence shortly. Stay tuned for more exciting updates, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or want to be a part of this incredible journey.